Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I have a beautiful Pioneer quadcopter here which is called Pioneer GD118. It has cool features here. It has optical flow, follow me feature. Here as we can see, optical flow, follow me, HD wide angle lens, hand gesture selfie, camera switching, auto return mode, headless mode, roll 360 flight, and probably I think it should be better than Eachine E58 because as we can see here, it is a quadcopter, foldable, and it has dual camera in it. Let's open this and see how it is. And let's see what all we get here. So this is the main body of the drone. Let's get back to that later. We have 4 propeller guards here. As you can see, 4 propeller guards. We have the remote control. Cool looking remote control here. Let's keep this aside. What else do we get? Okay, we have 4 extra propellers. We have 4 extra propellers in case we break one. We have this 4 extra notch on top of the propellers. We have the charging cable here, a USB charging cable, and a normal screwdriver to fix it up. So let's get to the main part. This is a remote control. As you can see, you can keep your phone here, nice and flexible. It has to be inserted with 3 AAA batteries, which I've already done. This is the quadcopter. Nice and steady look. Here is the front main camera, which is adjustable, so you can adjust the camera according to yourself, whichever view you want. You have 2 LED lights here, so you can see the way. You have another camera here in the base, so you can record the base view or the down view. You get 4 lights here, 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 and here, so that you can hover properly and come back to the position. And yeah, this is the main body. You have the power button here, and let's power it up. Alright, so as you can see, the LED lights are blinking. All the 4 propeller lights are blinking. Let's turn on the remote control here. Alright, so the light stopped blinking here, and it has a pretty well design. Yeah, it's nice and steady. Right, thinks it is pretty well. Nice and steady drone. We'll have a flight test on the video surely coming up quick. Thanks for watching this. We'll see you next time. Peace.